everyone, I'm here to be your mystery reader, and today we're going to read the book, What Are Scientists? What do they do? Well, let's find out. Looks like this story is told from two aliens that come to visit Earth to find out what scientists do. So let's take a look. What if the people try to hurt us? They won't. We're invisible to humans, but not to animals. Scientists are people. There are fat scientists and thin scientists, the tall ones and short ones, scientists with ponytails, scientists with beards. Some scientists jog while others weed. They watch TV, they write and read. They play with their kids, eat blueberry pie. They dance and cook and laugh and cry. They snore and hug, just like all other humans. Scientists study everything. Cats and cuts, fire and fog, magnets, earthquakes, flowers and smog, light and sound, rockets, stars, blood and bones, computers, cars. So many different things. They work in labs, in school, in space, in forests and oceans all over the place. In Paris, in China, in Bali, you know. There are scientists working wherever you go. There are microbiologists, endocrinologists, paleontologists, bacteriologists, cryobiologists, meteorologists, physicists, chemists, and that's just a start. There are pediatricians, lab technicians, organic chemists, and mathematicians, sedimentologists, lunar geologists, nuclear physicists, and plant physiologists. So many. Whether they are impossible to spell, like ichthyologist, or easy to spell, like botanist, all scientists have something in common. They are curious. They ask lots of questions and try to find the answers. What is a flower? How does it grow? What is a whale? And where does it go? What is blood? What does it do? What makes me, me? And what makes you, you? A tree, a plant, a rabbit, a hat. Biologists study all of that. Doctors study coughs and sneezes, cancer and AIDS and other diseases. They check your body, they fix your bumps, they give you shots for measles and mumps. Animals get doctored too. Why, that's what veterinarians do. Chemists mix and measure and pour. They work with H2SO4. They work with NH3 and HCl with beakers and test tubes and fire as well. They know what happens when iron rusts, when silver turns to black. They study changes from gases to liquids and liquids to solid and back. Because of experiments chemists can do, we have plastics and nylons and glasses and glue, medicines, ointments, and aerosol spray, millions of things we use every day, and some that we shouldn't. Physicists are always looking to prove the hows and whys of objects on the move. What makes them go and why do they won't? And what atoms do and what they don't? Computers and rockets and color TV, lasers and stuff that you can't even see. Magnets and musics and rotors and wings. Physicists think about all of those things. Astronomers think about things in the sky, how they move, where they move, and why. Meteors, moons, comets, and stars, planets like Jupiter, Venus, and Mars. They measure, they map, they count, they view. Those are the things that astronomers do. Geologists study the stuff of the earth and how it came to be. They study volcanoes and ancient stones and under mountains and under the sea. Earthquakes, lava, fossils, oil, diamonds, silver, rocks, and soil. When earthquakes shake and geysers spout, when drillers drill and oil comes out. When volcanoes explode or meteors fall, geologists try to study them all. Tornadoes and hurricanes, lights in the sky. Meteorologists, they want to know why. Drizzle and wind, blizzards and smog, rain and snow and thunder and fog. They study typhoons, they measure monsoons with computers and maps and weather balloons. They monitor satellites so they can see what the upcoming weather is going to be. If you'd like to be a scientist, here's how. Be curious, ask a lot of questions, and try to find the answers. And don't forget, scientists are not from outer space. They're ordinary humans just like you. The end. Thanks so much for joining me for story time. And remember, you too can be a scientist even at home.